Right now I'm making a fertilizer for my cherry trees, and I'll show you the cherry trees, but I'm adding some borax, which has boron. Adding that in here. Got a little copper. This is my supplemental copper, but I'm gonna just try and use a little bit of it. Copper, what it does is it allows the other metals to be absorbed by the biotics in the soil, whether that be the plant or whatever. These are some aerobic fertilizers. They're kind of expensive, but you know, we had them hanging around and they have manganese, which is part of the problem I'm trying to fix. So drop a little bit of that in there. I got this big grow. It's got a little bit of manganese in it. Drop a little bit of that in there. See, I wouldn't normally want to do that, but anyway. Now, I got this mixture. I just threw some June bugs in there a little while ago. This is some JLF mixed with, so it's Jadam liquid fertilizer made by taking leaf mold and pullings of weeds, and then I also added in char, new char, and soil, just native soil. And I'm trying to kickstart this and make this fertilizer. So I'm going to separate out the fertilizer, which can be diluted 10 to 1. You know, some people do it 5 to 1, some do it 10 to 1, 15 to 1, 20 to 1. I'm going to do 10 to 1, just make it easy. And we'll apply it. But here, I'll put in enough for a 10 to 1 mixture. Which won't be that much at all. Still keeping that anaerobic. Put away my things so I don't lose track of them. And then better take this borax in too. My wife's gonna get mad at me. But anyway, you can see that, well, I have an indicator plant here. This is a Brussels sprout, and it's started showing this, which I'm almost completely certain that is manganese deficiency. And so after that showed up, then I was like, I gotta take care of this. So I, you know, kind of fertilized a little bit of some random things that I had. I was like, that'll be enough. But then these beetles came. And it's not that the beetles are bad. They are just trying to survive. But what they did, they started eating out just the spots that are messed up on that. And then I noticed, well, here on my cherry trees, same thing. And then I just kept ignoring it. And what do I get? This is what I get. Where they're eating out just the diseased parts, and they're different beetles, but I think these ones are some sort of Japanese beetle. But it's interesting how God made them to delete the bad things. They're not bad. You grasshoppers may devour a whole lot of stuff, but that doesn't mean that they are evil. You know, maybe you just got to figure out how to eat locusts for a year or something. Figure out your soil problems. It's not on God for your failures. It's not on nature for your wrongdoings. We have a great teacher, and God has put us here to learn. Why don't we observe the things, the simple things, and understand that God is trying to purify it, make it strong, make it healthy, make it the best environment possible. You know, we can be in the garden. Agroforestry, we can be sons of Adam, you know, and not follow after Adam. We can have freedom in this garden called life.